everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day full of really easy, healthy, delicious recipes and meals. And if you are new to my channel, I am a gluten-free, dairy-free, mainly paleo, but everything I make is super delicious because who doesn't want to eat delicious food that can also be good for you? So it is time for breakfast. It is 10:09, and I generally practice intermittent fasting, so I usually stop eating dinner probably around 6, like will be like the last time I eat, and then I start eating probably around 10. So this is like a typical day. So for breakfast, I am still obsessed with chia pudding. I have some meal prepped that I'm going to have, and then I've been really liking it with cinnamon and raspberries, oddly enough. I know it's a weird combo. And I'm also gonna have a slice of the pumpkin French toast I made. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. It is delicious. It's paleo, keto, yummy, because I don't have like enough chia pudding for a full meal, but I wanna finish it off, so I'm gonna do like a French toast with chia pudding, with raspberries and cinnamon, and it's just gonna be a really nice, delicious bowl full of all the toppings, full of protein, healthy fats, and all of the deliciousness. And this is a pro tip for you guys. You can meal prep like French toast or pancakes, freeze them, and then all you have to do is like pop it in the freezer. I'm putting the frozen button on and toast it like you would toast, and that's it. So this is my finished breakfast bowl. We have the slice of pumpkin French toast, chia pudding, raspberries, and then I covered it with cinnamon, hemp hearts, and a little bit of bee pollen. Honestly, so good. Like, even though it's a hodgepodge, it's so delicious. So I've just been working away. I had a one-on-one client. I've also been doing computer work, and it's time for lunch. It is, what time is it? 1:30. I have an Akashic reading in half an hour, so we need to make lunch because otherwise I won't be eating until 3, which is really late. Also, I will leave my link to Akashic readings down below if you would like one and that's calling to you. And I'll also leave kind of like more information about it from my Instagram. But basically, the Akashic records are in the 7th dimension, and they're a record of everything past, present, and future. So I channel them in, and when you get a reading, you're able to ask a lot of questions, get insights into like your limiting beliefs, why you keep repeating patterns, soul contracts, why someone's in your life, lessons you're supposed to learn, your purpose in this life, and everything like that. So I'll link that down below. But yeah, that's in half an hour, so we gotta make some lunch. So I'm gonna make like a mushroom omelet, chop these up with that, some side of avocado, and then just some greens. And for my dressing, I'm going to be using the Chosen Foods one, the Caesar one. Oh, it'll focus. This one is one of my fave Caesar dressings like ever. It's made with pure avocado oil, and it's all clean ingredients. You can get it at Whole Foods. They also have it at a lot of different like other grocery stores. So we're gonna whip this up, this little quick lunch. So I took a bite and almost forgot to explain it. So we have the stuffed mushroom omelet. I put some smoked paprika and Maldon salt on the top, half an avocado, and then just some greens with the Chosen Foods dressing. I'm gonna eat this and try not to work and eat, but just like watch something or read emails. So it is a little while later and we're gonna make dinner. I have my Well Nourished call tonight, which if you guys don't know, Well Nourished is my program to not only help you like eat healthy and, you know, lose weight or anything like that, but it also fixes your gut health, it fixes your skin. And we also do a lot of like mindset and deep emotional work too to get to the root cause. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below so you can read about the program. But we're gonna make dinner because I don't like eating too close to the call where like I'm really full and I just finished eating and then I hop into a call. I like to have some time in between. So we're gonna make dinner. I'm gonna be making some chicken parm. If you guys saw my chicken parm video, it is delicious. I have a couple cutlets in the fridge, so I'm just gonna like half the recipe, make it, put it in the oven, and have that with some broccoli. It's gonna be warm and comforting. I have some vegan cheese in my fridge that I need to use up anyways. So instead of making like a homemade cashew ricotta, I'm gonna leave that like on the top of it instead, but I will leave the full recipe for you down below to make the homemade cashew ricotta, which is delicious. I just have like a soft vegan cheese in my fridge to use. It's like an herb and garlic, so I think it's gonna be very, very yummy. So I have chicken ready. I'm using some sauce that I just had in the fridge. This is just a clean tomato sauce. Then my vegan cheese, which is gonna be my cashew ricotta, the broccoli, and then this is the batter mixture that's gonna go in the chicken. It is just almond flour, tapioca flour, and a little bit of garlic salt. We're gonna coat the chicken, cook it, and then pour some sauce and some cheese on it, bake it in the oven with some broccoli. So our chicken is ready to go. I'm just heating up my caraway pan on medium heat. I adore this pan. If you're looking for good non-stick, that is like non-toxic, it doesn't have any of the weird chemicals, I adore this pan. We're gonna cook that up. I'm gonna get the broccoli in the oven and we're gonna keep going. So I just took dinner out of the oven. I'm just letting it cool a bit. I'm about to take my ginger shot. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I am big into ginger shots. You can make them at home. It's really easy. You just need a nut milk bag and a blender. I just blend it and then strain it and you get these. I will leave the Instagram highlight down below, but it's super simple and it takes 60 seconds, so bottoms up. So the chicken parm is out of the oven and how delicious does it look? We have a roasted broccoli. I'm literally so excited. So this is finished dinner. We have the chicken parm, some broccoli. I'm excited to dig in. It looks so delicious and such a warm and comforting meal. You can also meal prep the chicken parm and like have it all week long. So I'm really excited to dig in. So I just heated up one of my best ever chocolate chip cookies. That's what it's called. I will link the video down below. It's a very popular video as well. I think it has like over 300,000 views. Anyways, they're so delicious. I just keep them in the freezer and then I pop one out whenever I want them. So I'm gonna have this for a little dessert. So I hope you guys enjoyed that what I eat in a day and it gave you some inspiration for your future healthy meals that also taste delicious. I am gonna leave my last what I ate in a day here on the screen so that you can get more inspiration, more recipes, and everything like that. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.